Is it possible that a machine could one day outthink us? Welcome to a world where this question is not just a sci-fi fantasy, but a reality we're gradually stepping into. The realm of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's widely known, is rapidly expanding, sparking curiosity and wonder. AI is not just a far-off concept anymore. It's becoming an integral part of our everyday lives, subtly influencing our decisions, shaping our experiences, and redefining our future. Today we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, often simply called AI, might sound like a complex concept, but let's unravel this mystery together. AI is essentially a field of computer science that aims to imbue machines with the ability to mimic human intelligence. It's like teaching a machine to think, learn, and even make decisions, much like us humans do. Now you might wonder, how does a machine learn? That's where machine learning, a core component of AI, comes into play. Imagine this. You're teaching a toddler to recognize a cat. You show them several pictures of cats, explaining what makes a cat, well, a cat. After a while, the toddler starts recognizing cats even without your help. That's similar to how machine learning works. We feed the machine tons of data, and over time, it learns to recognize patterns and make predictions based on that data. But what if we want our machine to do more than just recognize patterns? What if we want it to understand the nuances of human speech or recognize a face among millions? That's where deep learning comes in. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. These networks mimic the human brain, enabling the machine to process data in complex ways, much like how we humans do. So you see, AI is not as daunting as it might initially appear. It's simply about creating systems that can learn from the data they're given and use that knowledge to perform tasks, from recognizing speech to driving cars, and even diagnosing diseases. It's about creating machines that can understand, learn, and act. Essentially, machines that can mimic human intelligence. In essence, AI is all about creating intelligent machines. You might be surprised at how often you interact with AI in your daily life. It's like a silent companion, always there, always working, and always making things easier. Let's take a moment to appreciate some of the applications of AI that we've grown so accustomed to, we barely even notice them anymore. Think about your morning routine. You wake up, not to the shrill sound of an alarm clock, but to the gentle voice of your digital assistant. As you're getting ready, it reads out the news headlines, tells you the weather, and even suggests what you should wear based on the forecast. That's AI. Now imagine you're commuting to work. You're in your car, hands-free, enjoying your favorite podcast while your vehicle navigates the traffic all by itself. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality of autonomous vehicles, brought to life by the magic of AI. You're at work, on a break, and you decide to watch a video or listen to a song. You open your favorite streaming platform, and there they are, a list of recommendations tailored just for you. You know who's responsible for that? Artificial intelligence. After a day's work, you hit the gym. Your smartwatch tracks your heart rate, counts your steps, and even suggests workouts based on your fitness goals. It's like having a personal trainer on your wrist, thanks to AI. And it doesn't stop there. Whether it's online shopping with AI-powered recommendations, navigating city streets with AI-driven maps, or even getting medical advice from AI health apps, artificial intelligence is everywhere. So, you see, AI isn't some futuristic concept. It's here, it's now, and it's making our lives easier in ways we might not even realize. From managing our schedules, to recommending our next binge-worthy show, from driving us around to keeping us fit, AI is there. From the moment we wake up to when we sleep, AI is subtly shaping our experiences. So the next time you ask your voice assistant for the weather or get a movie recommendation, remember, that's AI at work, making your day just a little bit easier. Like any powerful technology, AI has its pros and cons. Now, let's delve into the good, the bad, and the somewhat unknown aspects of artificial intelligence. When we talk about AI, we often marvel at its potential benefits. It's like having a supercharged, indefatigable assistant who never calls in sick or takes a lunch break. AI can process vast amounts of data in the blink of an eye, making it an invaluable tool in fields as diverse as healthcare, finance, and climate science. Let's take healthcare, for instance. AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing medical images with a level of accuracy that rivals and in some cases surpasses that of human experts. This means more precise diagnoses, more effective treatments, and ultimately, better patient outcomes. In the world of finance, AI is being used to predict market trends, detect fraudulent transactions, and personalize banking services. It's helping businesses become more profitable, and consumers get a more tailored service. And in the climate science arena, AI is being used to predict weather patterns, monitor deforestation, and model climate change scenarios. It's a powerful tool in our fight against global warming. But as with any powerful tool, AI comes with its own set of challenges. One of the major concerns is job displacement. As AI systems become more capable, they're likely to take over tasks currently performed by humans. This could lead to significant job losses in certain sectors. Then there's the issue of privacy. With AI systems capable of analyzing enormous amounts of data, there are legitimate concerns about who has access to this data and how it's being used. It's a delicate balancing act between harnessing the power of AI and protecting individual privacy. And let's not forget about the ethical considerations. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, we need to ask tough questions about how these systems make decisions, who's responsible when things go wrong, and how we can ensure that AI is used for the benefit of all and not just a privileged few. Looking to the future, there's a lot we don't know about the potential impacts of AI. Will it lead to a utopian society where machines do all the work and humans are free to pursue their passions? Or will it create a dystopian world where AI systems control every aspect of our lives? The truth is, we don't know. But what we do know is that we're at a critical juncture in the development of AI. We have the opportunity to shape this technology in a way that benefits humanity, but we also face the risk of unintended consequences if we don't handle it with care. Balancing the benefits and risks of AI is one of our greatest modern challenges, but it's a challenge we must rise to, because the future of AI, in many ways, is the future of humanity. So, what does the future hold for AI? Picture this. It's a few decades from now, and artificial intelligence has permeated every facet of our lives, from the way we work, to the way we learn, and even the way we entertain ourselves. The possibilities are as endless as they are exciting. In the realm of healthcare, for instance, AI could revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine AI systems capable of analyzing millions of medical records and research papers in seconds, identifying patterns, and predicting health issues before they occur. This could lead to a world where preventative medicine is the norm, and diseases like cancer are detected at their earliest, most treatable stages. In the world of business, AI could automate tasks that are currently performed by humans, freeing us up to focus on more creative and strategic aspects of our work. We could see AI systems that can analyze market trends, predict consumer behavior, and even aid in decision-making. This could transform businesses, making them more efficient and competitive. Education, too, could see a sea change. AI-powered platforms could offer personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's unique learning style and pace. This could democratize education, making high-quality learning accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. But as with any new technology, AI also brings with it certain risks and challenges. There are ongoing efforts to mitigate these, such as developing ethical guidelines for AI use and researching ways to make AI systems more transparent and accountable. We're also grappling with questions about job displacement and privacy concerns. It's a complex landscape, but one we're navigating with caution and care. The future of AI is a blend of promise and uncertainty. But one thing is clear. It's a field that's evolving at an unprecedented pace, and one that's set to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. As we march towards the future, AI continues to be a fascinating field full of promise and potential. As we reach the end of our journey, let's summarize what we've learned today. We've unraveled the concept of artificial intelligence, exploring its vast applications from healthcare to entertainment. We've looked at the impacts, both positive and challenging, while acknowledging the unknown aspects that still need exploration. And we've peered into the future, imagining the exciting possibilities that AI holds. Remember, as AI continues to evolve, so too should our understanding and engagement with this remarkable technology.